Both eyes at the
Firewolf.
same time.
Firewolf. Wolfbourne wearing his mother's butter popcorn mask.
Come here closer.
Yeah, because she's hit me in the face
every war.
every war so far.
And then
I love you, child.
I love you too.
He's using what? The Vortex Pyrex or something like that, right?
Praxis.
Praxis. Vortex Praxis. Last time I picked up the Mega Bow, it didn't work out too well for me. I think I'm gonna go straight hammer shot. And you are FPS with Lady Wolf on the rough cut 2x4, which has now won 2 battles in a row. Overall for the night, she's up 2-0. He's 1-2. I'm 0-3. I need to win one bad. Here we go. Dog.
Hey, Reza. You mommy's helper?
3,
Hold on. Josh doesn't even have...
2.
Count down!
I thought you were both pointing at me. Hold on.
You were already at 2!
3, 2, 1, go!
Greg, I got your butt.
Yeah, you hit my leg.
I hit Gregory's head.
I hit you center mass first.
Oh, what?
Yeah, I hit your stomach.
Oh.
That means you're right.
Yeah! I hit Josh the face!
Now it's skimming the top of my head. Really? I can still be alive.
My nipple!
Because many person has been skimming the top of their head with a bullet and live. I say I won that round.
Or you know what? Let's keep going. Don't stop.
Including me?
Yeah, he's already gave me my face.
Including me?
Yeah!
He's dead. I shot him in the head.
Hit me right here.
Yep.
I'm down. Here, Laura, got that.
Will the attachments work on? Oh, yeah. Are we still going?
Yeah, go. It's time you're full.
Oh, are you okay? I know, but I thought we were still going.
I was still shooting as you didn't stop.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, alright, you know what?
I thought we were still going.
Hold on.
Sorry, I thought we were going.
Stop the camera.
No, we're gonna keep going. I'm just kidding. I'm dead.
I think I stopped it. No, I didn't.
Just leave it.
Blinking, you're still running. Oh, face.
Okay,
Gosh, a minute to recoup.
how do I stop it?
Don't stop it. We're not reloading. We're gonna keep going. Alright, 3, 2,
We're
1,
not
go.
reloading?
She's down.
Yeah. Ah, my neck!
I win!
I was dead!
Are you okay?
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
First camera.
Oh dear. Hit me right on my gauge.
Yeah, bro. So, possibly really dead. Shot me in his earring. Fogging up. And I think she really died. Look at the carnage. We really wanted her bad.
Yeah, but not all those hit.
A lot of them hit you.
Well, it's like,
And then
your dog.
over here, she obviously shot a lot at me. Ralta got in the way. Move your hand up your ear. We can tell if you're bleeding. No.
I just took it out.
No, you're not bleeding.
Oh, that stung like a bitch.
Ralta, lick his face.
Hey, Rota. Like this.
Alright, people. I'm going to end this video here. Peace out.